almost forgot to like do my outro.
I don't care. Gotta get him on my hair.
Hey, what is up, you guys? And it's Baby Cookie here, and today is a vlog because your girl, you know, hasn't vlogged in a while. But this is my little outfit for today. My bed's a mess. That's my bear. This is my little outfit of the day. Hey. But today's a very big day because I'm going to be cutting my hair, getting my hair cut. And it's gonna be up to here. I don't know, but we're gonna try to do something with my hair because my hair is damaged, and it makes me upset looking at it, and I feel that it would have been best if I were to, you know, do the big old chop and you know, just get it over with, get it done with, and I'll see you guys later. And here it is. I don't miss not the short hair. I mean, I have short hair now, but I mean, I don't miss the long hair. I really don't. I mean, I feel really comfortable with, you know, the short. Hope you guys like it a little bit. And also, I got some new palettes this week, you know. I got the natural eyeshadow palette. It's really amazing. I got the natural. I got another Profusion. I don't know. Do you guys want me to do makeup on this channel?
Like, I don't know. I've been doing some makeup, like, you know, just some makeups, you know, stuff. I don't know how to explain it, but
I've been doing makeup lately, and I just bought this one today. It's the Mythical Dream eyeshadow palette. I'll do reviews on that maybe later. I don't know if you guys want, you know, some of that stuff in. I'll put that in there. And whoa. And I got the Volume X, you know, 2 pairs of number 107 volume lashes, false lashes, the reusable ones, and I have the eyeliner cream for eyeliner, so that's that. And yeah,
it's just, you know, over there in the corner. But yeah, this is the Darling. It's a to be adventurous box. I got it for $5.99 at Marshalls. You can fit all of my makeup in here, all of it, even the bigger Profusion, you know, treasure box collection one. So yeah.
Hey guys, so there's a current update. There is a really bad storm outside right now, and I was just on my computer, you know, just doing some stuff and some gaming or whatever the things. And my mom is currently stuck in traffic, and I'm sorry for the noises, the background noises, guys, but there's just a lot, like a lot. Let me just, like, I don't know. The kids had to come home early from school today, and my mom is currently, you know, still picking up some of the other kids. Right now she's stuck in traffic. I don't know if she's gonna get home safely, but hopefully she does, so I don't have to worry. This is really crazy, and supposedly on CNN they said that this was like a life-threatening type thing. Hopefully it's not, and hopefully that we'll make it through this. Keep us in your prayers. And my eyelash is getting in my eye. Ow. Okay, but yeah, and that's all I gotta say for right now. But I'll give you guys any more updates when I have the chance to. Peace. I almost forgot to say that my mom did get back home safely. She's home, and the kids are home. All the kids are home and everything, and we're all good. Okay, so current update. The snow blizzard thingy or whatever, it's over for now that I see it. It's just the trees and everything, they're just going wacky and everything, but everything is good. Mina's just here with me, and I've had a good day. Pretty okay. I'm doing a lot of stuff. Lots of stuff that I'm working on and everything. And I hope you guys enjoy. Next week I'm gonna vlog a lot of stuff, so stay tuned for that. Thank you guys for guessing watching this mini vlog episode thingy. I don't know, whatever I'm doing with this, I don't know. I will upload a video maybe tomorrow, probably. Well, technically it's like later today, but I have no idea. But love you guys.
I almost forgot to like do my outro, but peace out, Girl Scouts and Boy Scouts, and badoosh.